What law marked the beginning of France's commitment to data protection and privacy? GDPR B. Law No. 7817 of January 6, 1978 C. Law No. 2018-493 of June 20, 2018 D. The French Civil Code. Correct answer B. Law No. 7817 of January 6, 1978. What is the role of the CNIL in France's data protection landscape? A. Providing financial support to data processing companies. B. Enforcing data protection laws. C. Developing data protection technologies. D. Facilitating international data transfers. Correct answer B. Enforcing data protection laws. Which law aligned French data protection standards with the GDPR? The French Digital Republic, Act B. Law No. 7817 of January 6, 1978 C. Law No. 2018-493 of June 20, 2018 D. The French Telecommunications Act. Correct answer C. Law No. 2018-493 of June 20, 2018. What does GDPR stand for? A. General Data Protection Regulation. B. Global Data Privacy Rules. C. General Data Processing Regulation. D. Global Data Protection Requirement. Correct answer A. General Data Protection Regulation. In what year was the GDPR effectively incorporated into French law? A. 1978 B. 2018 C. 2016 D. 1995. Correct answer B. 2018. What is required from users before deploying cookies or similar tracking technologies? According to French law. A. Anonymous consent. B. Implied consent. C. Explicit consent. D. No consent. Correct answer C. Explicit consent. How does the CNIL guide entities regarding online privacy? A. By issuing fines only. B. Through public forums. C. By publishing guidelines and recommendations. D. Solely through legislative acts. Correct answer C. By publishing guidelines and recommendations. What is the distinction made in France's electronic marketing regulations? Say, between encrypted and non-encrypted messages. B. Between B2C and B2B communications. C. Between domestic and international companies. D. Between digital and print marketing. Correct answer B. Between B2C and B2B communications. How has the CNIL demonstrated its commitment to enforcing privacy regulations? By reducing the number of regulations. B. Through audits, investigations, and fines. C. By endorsing companies' internal policies. D. Through voluntary compliance programs. Correct answer B. Through audits, investigations, and fines. What principle is emphasized in France's legal framework regarding the use of personal data for tracking purposes? A. Anonymity. B. Transparency. C. Data minimization. D. Storage limitation. Correct answer B. Transparency. What characterizes the informed consent required by French law for data processing? A. Must be verbal. B. Can be assumed from user behavior. C. Must be a clear affirmative action. D. Is only necessary for sensitive data. Correct answer C. Must be a clear affirmative action. What does the CNIL stand for? A. Commission Nationale de l'Informatique et des Libertés. B. Central National Internet League. C. Commission for Network and Information Liberation. D. Committee for National Information Laws. Correct answer A. Commission Nationale de l'Informatique et des Libertés. What type of consent is crucial for B2C communications in France? A. Implicit consent. B. Explicit consent. C. No consent required. General consent. Correct answer B. Explicit consent. What guides the CNIL's enforcement actions against privacy infringements? International agreements. B. Company self-assessments. C. French data protection laws and GDPR. D. European Court of Justice decisions. Correct answer C. French data protection laws and GDPR. What does France's legal framework require before personal data is processed for marketing purposes? A. Parental consent for all users. B. User opt-out. C. Explicit consent from the data subject. D. Notification to the CNIL. Correct answer C. Explicit consent from the data subject. How are cookies regulated under French law? A. All cookies are banned. B. Only session cookies are allowed. C. Consent must be obtained for cookies that track user behavior. D. Cookies can be used freely without consent. Correct answer C. Consent must be obtained for cookies that track user behavior. What legal action did France take to ensure its data protection laws conform to the GDPR? A. It abolished all previous data protection laws. B. It enacted Law No. 2018-493 of June 20, 2018 c. It amended the French Constitution. It solely relied on GDPR to automatically apply. Correct answer, B. It enacted Law Num 2018-493 of June 20, 2018. In what way does the CNIL assist entities in complying with data protection laws? A. By automatically encrypting all French websites. B. Through financial incentives for compliance. C. By providing legal immunity for data breaches. D. By issuing guidance and clarifications on regulations. Correct answer, D. By issuing guidance and clarifications on regulations. What distinguishes the French approach to data protection from some other jurisdictions? Complete reliance on technology solutions. B. Emphasis on explicit consent and user rights. C. Lack of enforcement mechanism. D. Sole focus on data security rather than privacy. Correct answer, B. Emphasis on explicit consent and user rights. How does France's CNIL enforce its privacy laws against international companies? A. By blocking access to their websites in France. B. Through diplomatic channels. C. By auditing and potentially fining companies for non-compliance. D. By requiring French citizenship for company CEOs. Correct answer, C. By auditing and potentially fining companies for non-compliance.